Nababaw Kabalin, welcome to Pampanga. For today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Ultra MRF San Fernando branch dahil magpapapalit tayo ng brake pads ng sasakyan natin. And coming from our previous feature dun sa daon nila, I think this branch is actually cozier and at the same time parang mas social yung mga dating ng mga items natin dito, no? So I wanna show you more of this place. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go!
I am Ursilin po. I am the operations manager of Ultra MRF. So we have 4 branches, the O Annex, then Telebastagan, then ngayon po ito Ultra MRF, Dolores, San Fernando po. So actually sa lahat ng branches pare-parehong services lang naman po. Dito sa branch na to, sir, syempre give namin yung best namin. Then yung mga equipments namin is top of the line. Plus yung good ambience po para sa customers namin while waiting po. So dito po, PMS check-up, brakes, oil change, camber, alignment, balancing.
So ayun nga guys, nakasalang ng sasakyan natin. Coming from our previous feature dun sa Dau branch nila, alam naman natin na si Ultra MRF has tires, mags, and other auto services. So kasama dyan ang pagpapalit ng brake pads. And then I wanna compare it from our previous feature dun sa Dau branch nila. I think this one, para sa akin dito, no, mas maaliwalas to. Napaka-modern ng design ng interior natin dito. And nasa-showcase talaga yung mga mugs natin dito. So napakarami ng mga items to choose from. Let me see some brands na nandito. So we have Grid, Rhino, we have Robs, Fuel, we have Black Mamba, MODs. This is a heaven for mga car enthusiasts. Napakaganda ng mga mugs nila.
Sa mga tires po, we have Michelin, BF Goodrich, Nito, Dunlop, Toyo Tires, Yokohama, Rock Blade, Yusta, Bridgestone po, and many more. Because we offer best customer service, we have the best technicians here and salesperson. Kaya siguro marami kaming client na bumabalik, especially yung mga artists, mga kilalang tao. Actually, we have customers na mga politician, government employees.
So, aside from the fact that this is their newest branch, mga equipment nila dito are actually bagong-bago din, no? They are top of the line and at the same time, some of the equipments here, sila lamang po ang meron dito sa Pampanga.
Our plans for 2023 po, we're going to open another branches po here in Pampanga. At the same time, we have ongoing promotion po. We have 30% discount for alignment services. Then if you purchase 4 tires, we give free alignment, tire valve, wheel weights, and nitro po. If you want to change your tires and mag, pwede po kayong pumunta dito. And for all services din po, we can offer the best service po dito sa Ultra MRF. So we are located here at McArthur Highway, Dolores, San Fernando, Pampanga. Our operating hours will start at 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. po.
Alright! So that was our service dito po sa Ultra MRF, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Thank you so much for inviting us and congratulations, no? More branches to come. Napaka-humble ng kanilang beginning. I've known them dahil na-feature na po natin yung Dau branch nila and now they are spreading all throughout Pampanga. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye, guys.